Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create an amazing 3D text effect in Canva using letter manipulations and image. It's super fun and will make your text designs pops like never before. Okay, let's get started. First, just open your Canva and then just start a new project. Next, we need an image to work with. You can upload your own image or just use Canva's element. In this tutorial, I will just search it from the Canva element. I will search a simple photo. Just tap on elements and maybe I want to search about birds. And then just resize it so it fits nicely into your layout. For example like this. And then now it's time to create the 3D text effect. Just search for font frames. Just go to elements again and then just search for your font frame. Okay, and then just position it as you like. And then just duplicate the image and then drag it into the letter frame like this, and then adjust the image inside the frame so it fits perfectly, just like this. And then to make the 3D pop effect, just duplicate the letter frame, duplicate it, and then just go to adjust, and then go to brightness, decrease the brightness, for example like this. Okay, like this. And then just add an outline, just go to styles, for example like this. For example like this. And then just place this duplicate behind the original frame, go to positions and then backward. And then just select the original image behind your frames and then just remove the background. And then just crop the image as you like. And okay, like this. Now it looks like the object is coming out of the letter itself, giving that awesome 3D pop-up illusions. And finally, you can add shadows, highlights, or extra effect to enhance the 3D look. You can just play around with shadows. And okay, that's it. You now have a cool 3D effect using Canva's letter frames and image manipulations. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.